A common complaint on the Jaguar XE is that the rear reversing camera either works intermittently or stops working completely, or just displays a blue screen. You may have even found a fuse, 10 amp fuse in the boot on the right hand side blown. Certainly you would have seen a message on the display advising of a camera fault. This is a short video and shows you the problem and how to fix it. According to some of the forums, Jaguar charges up to £1,000 to repair this for what really turns out to be a very simple issue. First, we need to gain access to the left-hand side in the boot. My car's a diesel, so you'll see an AdBlue tank. Petrol vehicles won't have this, but essentially the fix is exactly the same. Remove the boot liner. In order to remove the left-hand cover, firstly remove the drip catcher around the AdBlue filler neck. That just pulls off. There's that small clip which is like a shopping bag holder. Pull the centre clip out and remove that. And there's another one on the underside of that left-hand cover. Remove or pull apart the boot rubber around the edge of that boot liner all the way around, and then pull the boot liner out and you will see this behind it. If you follow down the route of the actual boot hinge itself, you'll come to the root of the problem. I'm just going to flex the boot lid a little so you can see from inside as I move it up and down where the actual flex point is. This is where the issues are, and they are at the moment underneath that wrapping. You need to remove that. When you do, this is what you will find. Now in the next shot you can see the actual cable's broken down. The brown lead is the coaxial with an outer sheath forming one cable and then the inner core forming another cable. The blue one's just the signal wire and the black one is an earth. I found the easiest way of preparing this was to separate that outer core of the coaxial and the centre and treat it as two wires. I then connected it all using chocolate block connectors. It seemed a very secure means of holding them all together and fixed the job perfectly.